Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add gradient border to data point of chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to add gradient border to data points. Firstly, insert a chart. Go to the insert menu. Then click chart option. Then select a chart and click OK. Then close the window. Then click data points and click right button on our mouse and go to data series. Then select the fill color. Then choose border option and choose gradient line. Then apply gradient color to this data points border. Then increase the border size. Then close the window. Then we can see here we added gradient border to data point of this chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.